System design, UX Essential 3. So let's get started. So what I would do is I would take a frame because I need to be able to adjust the size of the component uh, the way it might be required. So let's say I took a size of a phone wherein I would build the component. So I would call it go homepage, and I would just build a card, and I'll just go here and search for Unsplash, wherein I would take out the photograph from there. Office. Let's say I will take this photograph outside. So I have this photograph. I'll make it a small, and I would bring this photograph inside my frame. Now this photograph is inside my frame. Okay. Now I'll make this a auto layout by pressing Shift A, and I would name this auto layout a cart. Okay. Now I will add a title to it. I'll take T text and add a title called Office Space, and I'll change the color for a bit, 2 to 2, and I would also change the color of this entire card so it looks little better. Let's say I can go little off-white. Now it looks better. I'll also change the corner a bit so it looks nice and aesthetic. 10. I would increase the size of the title because it is a title, it needs to look way better. I would duplicate this text so I can make a button out of it. And I would change the size of it to 16, and then I'll bring it down by pressing the down arrow, and now create an auto layout of this again and name it a button, and give it a padding 20 pixel, 10 pixel, and add a color. Let's add an orange color to it. Now let's increase the size a bit. Hit adjust, link the text to view space. Just a second, I need to. Okay. Add a corner to it, 10 pixel. Opacity decrease, so let's increase the opacity back. Now I can change the direction of it, the however the way I want. Let's add a little bit of corner here as well, 10 pixel. Okay. Now this is my card. Now I'll take this button outside, and I need to be able to create a component out of this button. So I'll right click and say create component, which you can also do by, let's say, Control Alt and K, and select this and go right top where you can see add properties, I'll add a variant property, and then I'll add a variant, and this variant has to look different. I may call it active, and let's change the color a little bit different so you can distinguish. Okay. Now you see you have two variants, and it is attached to your asset. You can go to asset and you can drag the button inside your card, and now you'll be able to see that you'll be able to change the button property without actually creating a number of buttons. Let's have a proper name for this. States. Now you see you have two different kind of space. And every time you change something here, let's say I make it regular, it changes automatically. You don't have to go and change again and again. You might have applied it at different places. Let's say this button is here, and this button is here, and this button is at 10 different places. So if I change the color once here, it automatically changes at all the different places. Okay.